The Aquatic Referral Lab, just now inaugurated at Kufos, is the first of its kind in India, which is established in a state fisheries university. And here this lab is equipped with the high-end equipments which can be used for identifying the microbes, particularly this pathogenic fungus, bacteria and viruses, which is creating havoc in the aquatic production system. So the farmers as well as public can use this facility, and this will be a boon for the production system here, as well as for the exporters. They can take a certificate from this lab so that the export consignment is free from the pathogenic microbes.
The referral laboratory for aquatic animal disease diagnosis and quality testing, which is known as the Aquatic Referral Lab in short, has been established under the Pradhana Mantri Matsya Sampada scheme. With a funding to the tune of Rs 975 lakhs from the central and state governments, this lab is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities for diagnosis of aquatic animal diseases and for the testing the quality of soil, water and fishery products.
The Aquatic Referral Lab receives samples from the entire aquaculture spectrum, including aquatic animals, soil and water samples, feed, raw materials, etc. The samples received at the Aquatic Referral Lab will be processed and accessioned in the sample accession room. The necropsy and general health examination of the animals will be performed here following standard operating protocols. The samples will be collected systematically for various diagnostic tests specific to the animals under examination. The Soil and Water Quality Testing Lab provides full spectrum analysis of soil and water quality parameters to evaluate suitability of aquaculture systems. ICP-MS laboratory undertakes sensitive analysis of heavy metal residues and isotopes from different matrices including fish and fishery products and environmental samples. The LCMS-MS facility undertakes analysis of antibiotic residues, pesticides, mycotoxins, etc. The unit operates a virology lab and are capable of isolation and characterization of viral pathogens infecting all the commercial aquaculture species in the country. The facility is equipped with a dedicated cell culture lab to develop and maintain cell cultures from economically important species for virus isolation and toxicological studies. The unit works on developing various cell-based assays to evaluate various phytodrugs for use in aquaculture. Development and research on vaccines for commercially important viral diseases are also undertaken in the facility. The Molecular Disease Diagnostic Facility offers PCR-based diagnosis for fish and shrimp diseases. The laboratory is capable of diagnosing 70 pathogens of aquaculture importance. The laboratory has the capacity to develop and optimize novel PCR assays for specific application including emerging pathogen identification and certification testing. The laboratory holds its reference capabilities and maintains its position as a recognized center with the National Surveillance Program for Aquatic Animal Disease. The Microbiology Laboratory provides a range of services for the isolation and rapid identification of bacterial and fungal pathogens from aquatic animals and the environmental samples. The Aquatic Referral Lab undertakes active surveillance of antimicrobial resistance in aquaculture and fisheries as a part of Kerala Antimicrobial Resistance Strategic Action Plan. The unit is capable of phenotypic and molecular characterization of a variety of AMR determinants from the aquatic environment and products following CLSI guidelines. The unit is also a part of the Center of Excellence in Microbiome, Government of Kerala, under the domain of aquaculture and fisheries. The histopathology laboratory functions in adjunct with all the advanced diagnostic techniques to complement the diagnostic outcome. The unit is capable of performing basic histology, histochemistry, and advanced staining and hybridization techniques to demonstrate specific pathology or pathogens in question. The unit also offers pathology consultations and services to internal and external users to support their diagnosis or research needs. Besides being a diagnostics and testing lab, Aquatic Referral Lab is a state-of-the-art research facility undertaking various research programs in aquatic animal health management, including disease surveillance, vaccines and therapeutics development, toxicology, pharmacology, host pathogen interactomics, and One Health. Facilities in the unit are greatly benefited by the graduate and postgraduate students in the university by getting hands-on learning experience. The Aquatic Referral Lab offers advanced training programs in aquatic animal health management and quality testing. The Biosecure Wet Lab Complex is a CPSCA approved biocontainment facility that allows the unit to conduct in vivo studies.
As the State Referral Lab, our mission is to protect aquatic animal health, aquatic environment, human health and food safety through unparalleled diagnostic services and professional expertise, enabling early detection, monitoring and management of diseases. With the establishment of Aquatic Referral Lab, we aim to achieve sustainable fish production and disease-free aquaculture.